Parangtritis, one of the most famous tourist icons in Yogyakarta, is always crowded with tourists every day. Located on the southern coast of Bantul Regency, this beach holds the perfect combination of natural beauty, legendary myths, and hidden charms behind its cliffs. Not far from the beach, there is a small waterfall hidden that is rarely known to tourists. Situated between steep coral cliffs, this waterfall adds to the charm of Parangtritis with its very natural atmosphere. This waterfall can only be seen and enjoyed during the rainy season. Entering the dry season, the water discharge gradually decreases, then disappears. The location of this waterfall is still in the same area as Parangtritis Beach, precisely on a towering hill to the east of the beach. This waterfall is often a favorite spot for tourists to play in the water, or simply enjoy the coolness amidst the shady trees. A small oasis behind the hustle and bustle of Parangtritis. You can adventure around the Parangtritis area using a jeep. There are many interesting photo spots along the popular journey. Jeeps can be rented starting from 400,000 to 600,000 with a capacity of 4 people. Every corner of Parangtritis has its own story and charm. No wonder this place is always a favorite destination for tourists from all over. So, when will you visit the beauty of this beach? This waterfall has a height of about 20 meters. However, because it is not too dangerous, this tour is more child and family friendly. They can play around this waterfall. That is the beauty of Parangtritis, a perfect blend of history, legend, and unparalleled natural charm. From crashing waves, hidden waterfalls, all combine to create an unforgettable experience.